Hello, it's Lisa and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be going over these Suds Dishwasher Detergent Tablets. I am super aware of what I use in my home in terms of toxicity and making sure that we're not using a ton of chemicals, but I also want the job to get done. I don't want to just use basic things just for the sake of keeping it low tox if it doesn't work. So it took me a long time to find one that actually does. These particular Suds do. I'm going to show you this one. This is the citrus scented one. You don't necessarily need a scented one unless it's just for aesthetic purposes in your kitchen. No shame if you do, but this particular one is citrus. I got it. It just comes like a normal dishwasher detergent packet, but notice all the things that it is lacking, and you can take a look in the description. But all of these chemicals are things that are known to be disruptive, and I don't want them in any of my products. So really happy with this purchase. I'm going to show you right here. It goes right into my dishwasher, right in that section, and it washes just like normal without the risk of toxicity. So highly recommend and really happy with it.